Welcome to CosyMind Cats, an immersive wellbeing game for neurodivergent children. Let's dive in. Here's the main map where children can explore a variety of different environments. And now we're in the bedroom. Over in the kitchen, we meet some new feline friends. Let's see what they want. They want us to find some toys for them. I think we can do that. Back into the bedroom we go, and we're looking for a teddy bear. And there he is, hiding behind the bed, manoeuvring back into the kitchen. When we hand them the teddy bear, we get rewarded with a calming breathing exercise. There's so much of this world to explore. A lot of the items are very interactive, and you can be a bit mischievous. Some things are quite breakable, as you can see. Back into the bedroom, and now we go into the bathroom to have a bath, apparently, because we all know that cats love water. One of the games people love is our sandbox drawing game, which has proven to be particularly popular with some of our younger testers. Here we can see a skilled artist drawing us a heart. CosyMind Cats can also be experienced in more immersive formats. In virtual reality, children can step directly into the calming world, exploring and interacting with a cat companion at full scale. Back into the bathroom, maybe for another bath. Yes. In shared immersive rooms, the experience also becomes social. Players can move, gesture, and interact with a cat together in a surrounding sensory environment, or get round by it. And once again we go to the bath. We are also exploring emerging light field display technology, which allows a cat to appear as a real volumetric character in physical space. This platform is currently under development. Finally, we are also integrating biofeedback to understand and support each child's emotional state. Here, eye tracking and facial expression analysis are used to observe attention and affect during interaction. This adaptive approach will allow CosyMind Cats to respond in real time, offering calming support when needed.